Okay, today's little projects here and there. You know what it's like as a gardener. You've got to do this, you've got to do that. So it's just best to concentrate on one thing until you got it done. So basically I've been planting out some leeks. These are Musselberg. Looking a little bit sorry for themselves because we've been waiting for quite a while. And let's have a look at this one. If I can bring them out. They're ready to come out. So they're quite happy anyway, so I'm going to give them a birthday anyway. But before I do that, I've got some garlic to bring out. So basically, now I've been planting baby boo, pumpkin, jack be little along here. So let's see what we get with this pumpkin arch. Anyway, so I've got the last of my garlic here. So I'll be bringing them out. There are a few scapes, but if you look at it, it's more or less yellow anyway, the whole lot. So I need the bed space. So now I think it's time for them to come out, and I'll just take what I've got as it comes. I'll show you the other ones that I took out as well once I'm finished. Well, there we are. There's a few of them that's come out. They're not so bad. So I'm hoping that the rest of them might follow suit. But I'm saying that there's one or two small ones as well. But hey, if you can make crush garlic and make out of garlic ice cubes out of them and add that as seasoning for your meals, I'll take them the way they are. Anyway, so I'll get cracking. I'll bring you back shortly. So this is the first load of garlic that I got out. I'm going to show you. It's not so bad, nice and dry. Doing okay really. You can feel the comb, the cloves. Then some of them anyway, yeah, so they're not bad. If you get this lot spread out a bit more as well. Not big ones though, some not big ones, some are slightly larger, some are a bit smaller. Yeah. So there's some more garlic there. These are all the onions that I brought out that weren't feeling very well, but feeling them, they're actually not so bad. So they're drying out nicely here. And there's a dog barking again, of course. And then what else have I got? Oh yeah, and these are the ones I've just brought out. So don't ask me the variety. I bought some from Lidl. I don't know, I can't remember what you just like must plant garlic, must plant garlic. So I just went and got garlic. So I went to Morrison's and bought the biggest clove of garlic that I could find. So that's some big ones, so I used them. So these are not bad. I'll take them as they are. They're dried off nicely. There's a different variety, that one as well, as you can see. But I'll take them. They've got rust all the way up. They've had scapes as well, like so. Let this lot dry, and then I'll process it. And I was aiming to do garlic granules, or just garlic ice cubes, to preserve the garlic. Because I don't think this is very soft here. I don't think they'll last too long. So I may as well process them and get them in the freezer before anything else happens, before I lose them. Okay, so that's a win. So that's more to process.